Yo, what's going on, guys? It's me, Goble, and welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. In today's video, we are back at it again here on Airidale for the 42nd video of the Airidale series. Now, in today's video, we are going to be doing some more quests, and I know the past 4 videos have basically just been quests. I'm sorry, guys, but everything will get better very, very soon, and you guys will see some good content rather than just some grinding. But I know you guys still enjoy the grinding videos anyways, guys, if you guys do end up enjoying today's video, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time that I upload, because I upload every single day. And also, make sure you guys come check out the server. The IP is goble.airidale.net. And I upload on here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of every single week. And I play here every single day, so make sure you guys check out the server. But without further ado, let's get into today's video. Alright, guys, so the first thing that we're going to do to start off the video is do such quest. So you guys can see I need to kill 15 Vindicators for the B weekly. And I need to kill 25 zombies for another quest, but I think I'm just going to do the B weekly, and that will be everything that I just do for now, and then we'll just do some more quests throughout the video as well. So yeah, basically the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and kill 15 Vindicators. Now, it shouldn't be very hard to do so. Oh, maybe it is. Okay. That's very not cool of you. That hurt really, really bad. Okay, well, anyways. So what we need to do is figure out a way that we could kill these Vindicators without dying. And as long as we don't die, then we'll be good. Alright, guys, so we just finished that. So now the next thing that we basically need to do is climb up here, which is pretty easy. And we need to go talk to the guy, Airidale. So yeah, we'll talk to him. 80k and 40 soul crystals. There we go. So we just got all that, and basically we just finished the B weekly, so that's pretty cool. So what we could do now is we could do this challenge to craft 16 diamond swords, which is only about 32 diamonds. So that's what we're gonna do next. We're gonna do such night, and we're gonna go to the night warp, and we're gonna do that real quick. I did almost die a couple times from the Vindicators. They are pretty scary, to be honest. But yeah, basically all we need to do is get 32 diamonds, and we should be chilling, and we should have this quest done. So yeah, we're gonna basically just get 32 diamonds real quick, and I will bring you guys back once I do that. All right, guys, we got our diamonds. So now basically what we need to do is go to the spawn. All right, so now we're at the spawn, and basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and craft these swords. So I believe such craft, sorry, not such chest, is we need to craft the sticks and craft the swords, and there we go, 16 diamond swords. There we are. So what we need to do is go turn them in real quick to the B ward, and we should be pretty good. And we are almost halfway to ranking up to B3. It's gonna take a very long time to get rank ups, just due to the fact that I don't do the quests every single day. Otherwise it would be probably like a lot easier, to say the very least. But basically all I need to do is just go like that and just keep hitting from there. All right, there we go, 50k, perfect. So I just got 50k, and now we are on 300,000 basically. So a couple other quests I could do maybe. I think I have maybe some other ones unlocked in here. I'm not entirely sure, because I know that I did a lot of them, and I just need to kind of look and see. I know we have this 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think we have all of them locked still. Let's see. Oh, this one works. Okay, well, I don't really want to go get 9 stacks of coal once again, which we already did that today, by the way, guys. I'm recording multiple videos in the same day. We already did that, so I think we're going to do some Seaward quests. I feel like that would definitely be something to go ahead and do. So I think that's what I'm going to do, is do some Seaward quests, because why not? So yeah, we're going to get these Seaward quests done, and we should get maybe another 100k or so. Maybe a little bit less, but yeah, we should get a good amount of money, and we should be able to rank up pretty soon. It's definitely a grind, though, just to be able to do this, so it's kind of crazy. So yeah. Alright, guys, so I need to get 3 iron axes, and then I need to make that golden sword. So yeah, that's basically what we're just gonna do real quick. So there we go. I have the gold now, and I can make 1 axe. Yeah, it's gonna take me a couple minutes to get this, but yeah, once I get all of this, we should be good. Let's see. There we go. And let's just mine up here and get a couple more. And let's see, right there, there's 1. And yeah, we just need 2 more. Let's see, where's 2 more? 2 more iron. We can't find a single iron. That's cool. All right, we need 1 more iron. There we go. And now we can go craft. So let's go craft. Throw out all of that, and then let's /craft. Let's get. There we go. That should be good. Let's craft 3 of these and 1 of those. Alright, and now let's go turn these in, and basically, we're just trying to do some quests, get us some money. So, yeah, all we need to do is give this gold sword, and I think this gives you like 20k or something, I can't remember, yep, 20k. And then we need to do this quest. So this one's going to take me a couple of minutes, but I'll bring you guys back once I get it done. It shouldn't take too long, but yeah, it's just going to take me a few minutes because you actually have to do a good bit of work to get this one done. So I'll bring you guys back in just a couple of minutes. Alright guys, just finished that quest. So what we're going to do is boom. There we go, 17k. Alright. So we're halfway to B3. Perfect. Alright, so now what we're going to do is Exterminator 3. You guys already know the drill. You guys already know what this is. So yeah, that's what we're going to go ahead and do real quick. We're going to kill our 15 drowns. I need to come up here in AFK so that they'll spawn. But yeah, guys. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the series that we've been doing on Airidale. I know I say this like every single video, but I greatly appreciate all the support. There were people telling me earlier when I was recording the previous video on Airidale that were telling me that they came from my videos and talking to me in the chat. So thank you guys for showing all the support on Airidale. I greatly appreciate it, and it's actually crazy, guys. So yeah, if you guys haven't came on Airidale, make sure you guys come on here. It's a really, really nice community. It's very, very friendly. Alright guys, so I just finished that, so boom, 15k, there we go. So yeah, that's basically that quest, and we don't really have much we could do. I don't think we have the weekly unlocked. No, we don't. 2 days, and I will not be on in 2 days, so that is definitely not possible. And then this one, we can make 20 hoppers. We could do that one real quick, why not? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and we'll do that quest real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and end off the video. And we will call it another week on Airidale that we have finally made it. And we are so close to 50 videos. It's actually kind of crazy if you really think about it. But yeah, guys. So I will bring you guys back very soon. Once I get this stack and 36 iron that I need to be able to do this quest. So yeah. Alright guys, so basically what I'm going to do now is we're going to go ahead and craft these and go ahead and end off today's video. So there we go, we're going to go give these to Hooper, all these 20 hoppers, and then we're going to end off the video. So yeah, pretty much this is going to end off the, I don't know, let's see, 14th week on Airidale. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and end off today's video here. If you guys did enjoy, make sure that you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys can be notified every single time that I upload, because I upload every single day. And also make sure you guys come check out the server. goble.airidale.net is the IP. I play on here and upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I upload and I play here almost every single day, so make sure you guys come check out the server. Anyways, guys, we'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.